This video is on my third high power rocket build. It was launched at the Tripoli South site near Galveston. The south site is 2 miles from Galveston Bay and 6 miles from the Gulf of Mexico. This rocket is from my second build. It was modified to include a GPS transmitter in the nose cone. After the launch video, I'll show the details of installing the GPS tracker.
1.
These two videos are the different views of the same launch. 2 seconds after the launch, the motor shuts down and the rocket coasts upward to apogee. Then an explosive charge ejects the nose cone from the rocket. The nose cone is still attached to the rocket by a shock cord. The parachute deploys and slows the descent for the rocket landing. The rocket landed about a half a mile from the launch, and I had to go traipsing through the rice paddies to find it, but the GPS tracker led me right to it. So let's talk about build 3. I had to modify the nose cone to fit the transmitter and battery. I also had to design a chassis to fit the transmitter. I did this in Fusion 360, which is a CAD program. Then I printed it out on a 3D printer. That took about 2 hours, but it worked pretty good. And then I tested it out by mounting the electronics inside of it. The bulkhead was routed out from a 1/8 inch bass plywood and then rounded off in a drill press. The fasteners were cut from an 1/8 inch aluminum bar, threaded and epoxied to the wood bulkhead, which was then epoxied to the nose cone. The rechargeable battery lasts several hours, so before the launch I turned the transmitter on and slipped the assembly into the nose cone and bolted in place. I hope you enjoyed the video and got something out of it. Next month will be build 4, where I modify the rocket to include a electronics bay with an altimeter.